Welcome to part 116 of Daily English. Today's topic: Natural English expressions. Take care. Take care. Example: Take care. See you tomorrow. Have a safe trip. Example: Have a safe trip. Send me a message when you arrive. Drive safely. Example: Drive safely. The roads are busy today. Get home safely. Example: Get home safely. It's getting late. Have a good day. Example: Have a good day. See you at work tomorrow. Have a great weekend. Example: Have a great weekend. Enjoy your time with your family. See you around. Example: See you around. It was nice talking with you. Stay in touch. Example: Stay in touch. I'd love to hear from you. See you soon. Example: See you soon. Have a wonderful evening. Mini conversation. Anna, I'm leaving now. It was great to see you. Ben, me too. Take care. Anna, thanks. Have a great weekend. Ben, you too. Stay in touch. Anna, see you soon. Daily tip. Native English speakers often use expressions like take care, have a safe trip, and stay in touch when saying goodbye. These phrases sound warm, friendly, and caring in everyday conversations. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're saying goodbye to a friend who's traveling. Wish them a safe trip, tell them to take care, ask them to stay in touch, and end by saying you'll see them soon. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 117. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.